Hello students, welcome to Verma's Chemistry. In this video, I am going to tell you how to find n factor in a disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction is a redox reaction in which the same element is oxidized and reduced simultaneously. I repeat, disproportionation reaction is a redox reaction in which the same element is oxidized and reduced simultaneously. It means one element acts as both oxidizing agent and reducing agent. And n factor of a reducing agent or oxidizing agent is the number of electrons transferred per 1 mole of the reagent. N factor of an oxidizing agent or a reducing agent is the number of electrons transferred per 1 mole of the reagent. And let us see this equation. In this reaction, phosphorus reacts with a base to become hypophosphite and phosphine. So P4 is converted into H2PO2 minus hypophosphite and PH3. So P4 is oxidized into H2PO2 minus and reduced into PH3. So it's a disproportionation reaction. And now let us see how to find out n factor of phosphorus in this reaction. So let us take conversion of P4 into H2PO2 minus. Oxidation state of phosphorus in P4 is 0 and oxidation state of phosphorus in H2PO2 minus is plus 1. So you can see the change in oxidation number 1 unit. But if you balance this equation in terms of phosphorus, it will be 4H2PO2 minus. Then the number of electrons transferred in this part of the equation will be 4 electrons. And come to another conversion, P4 into PH3. Once again, oxidation state of phosphorus in P4 is 0 and oxidation state of phosphorus in PH3 is minus 3. So you can see change in oxidation number by 3 units. But when you balance this part of the equation in terms of phosphorus, it becomes 4PH3. So how many number of electrons are transferred now? 4 3s are 12. But in a redox reaction, number of electrons transferred in reduction reaction should be equal to number of electrons transferred in oxidation reaction. So in this conversion of P4 into PH3, we got 12 electrons transferred, but in the conversion of P4 into H2PO2 minus, we got only 4 electrons got transferred. So to make these 4 electrons into 12, I am going to multiply the equation by 3. So it becomes 3P4 and this becomes 12 H2PO2 minus. So now you got how many moles of electrons transferred? 12 moles of electrons transferred from 3 moles of phosphorus to 1 mole of phosphorus. So total how many moles of phosphorus are present here in the equation? In this conversion 3 moles and in conversion of P4 into PH3 1 mole. Total 4 moles. And how many moles of electrons got transferred? 12 moles of electrons. And what is n factor of an oxidizing agent or reducing agent? Number of moles of electrons transferred per 1 mole of the reagent. You got 4 moles of phosphorus here. So 12 by 4 equal to 3. So n factor of P4 in this reaction is equal to 3. Come to another reaction in which bromine in basic medium got converted into Br minus and BrO3 minus. In this reaction, Br2 is reduced into Br minus and oxidized into bromate BrO3 minus. Let us see how to find out N factor of Br2 in this reaction. Br2 got converted into Br minus. Oxidation state of bromine in Br2 is 0 and bromine in Br minus is -1. Here you can see the change in oxidation state of 1 unit. But when you balance this reaction in terms of bromine, the number of electrons transferred will become 2. Next, come to another part of the equation. Br2 is converted into BrO3 minus. Oxidation state of bromine in Br2 is 0 and oxidation state of bromine in BrO3 minus is +5. Here you can see the change in oxidation state by 5 units. But you need to balance this reaction in terms of bromine. When you balance it, you can see the number of electrons transferred equal to 10 electrons. And in a redox reaction, number of electrons transferred in reduction half reaction should be equal to number of electrons transferred in oxidation half reaction. So for that, I need to make these 2 electrons into 10. So that's why I am multiplying this first equation by 5. So 5 Br2 will give you 10 Br minus. So you see now how many moles of electrons got transferred? Within bromine, 10 moles of electrons got transferred. But how many moles of bromines we have? Here 5, here 1. Total 6 moles of bromines you have. And what is N factor of an oxidizing agent or reducing agent? Number of moles of electrons transferred per 1 mole of the reagent. So you got 10 moles of electrons transferred per 6 moles. So 10 by 6, which is equal to 5 by 3. So N factor of bromine in basic medium will be 5 by 3. So this is how we can find out N factor in a disproportionation reaction. Thank you.